Guys, welcome back to my brand new YouTube video. I'm back again. This YouTube video is all about how to reach Grandmaster in literally one day. So before I begin, please like, share and subscribe and hit that post notification bell for further updates on my channel. So guys, the first thing I will be showing you, the first tip I will be giving you is to use the right character skills, guys. If you use the right character skills in ranked game, that help you to survive, and when you survive you got more points. So guys, I use Antonio, Maxim and Andrew. Guys, these character skills keep me alive, especially in like third parties and big war and all of that. Guys, when I'm using Adam, I use medkit and mushroom much faster. When I use Antonio, I get 35 extra HP when the round just start. And when I use Andrew, my vest durability loss decreased by 6%. So guys, that's really great for you to use in ranked games. So guys, the next step is your landing, guys. Guys, you have to ensure that you land properly. Guys, if you're already a legend, you can play, you can go anywhere you want to go on the map, but I suggest you use the bird pet. Guys, the bird help you to glide and go down faster. So guys, when you're using the bird, you can legit land before your enemies and get kills much easier and faster, guys. So guys, for the beginners, I suggest that you land far from where the plane flies. Wherever the plane flies, I believe that you should land far from where the plane flies. For instance, the plane flies from Rimnam to Shipyard. I suggest that you try head for Cape Town. For the beginners, this when you land far from where the plane flies, there will be less enemy where you land, so you will get opportunity to get good loot and guns. So after going so far from where the plane flies, looting up all that good loot, I suggest you go in like in a tower or in a little cabin to go chill and relax. And like when the safe zone come, you follow the safe zone. Or if you are already in the zone, you chill out until 14 people left, 14 enemy left back. You can go get a kill or something. So guys, the next step is the right weapons. Guys, if you're a beginner, I don't think you guys should use sniper in a ranked game, because sniper is a really difficult gun to use for beginners. In a ranked game, I think you guys should use the AC-80. It's a really good far range gun. AC-80, here's it, guys. This is the gun that you should use in ranked game. And for the close range, you should use shotguns, yeah. You can use M10, you can use M18, but the most appropriate one that you should use in ranked game is Mag 7. Mag 7 is highly rate of fire, guys, and it does a lot of damage on enemies. So I think you guys should use the Mag 7. It shoots really fast and it does a lot of damage. So this will be very appropriate for rank. So the AC-80 and the Mag 7 is the gun that you're looking for in a ranked game. You can use M60 as well. M60 does a lot of damage. And the 100 shooter, the M249, this does a lot of damage also. You can use M18 for close range as well, and M10s. So guys, I'll make it to the end of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the post notification bell for more tutorial videos. I'm out.